I had to go live, guys. Bitcoin is rocketing. Bitcoin is rocketing, and we're arguing and going all over on Twitter. This is time. I think it is time. I've been calling for lower and lower, lower, and everybody was laughing, and people were making fun of me on Twitter and whatnot. And it is time. It is time for a bounce, I think. And it seems like that we are getting the bounce right now. So I want to bring you the trades that I'm taking. We're gonna do some alpha, trading alpha. We're gonna talk about crypto. We're gonna talk about memes. We're gonna talk about all the stuff that we are talking about. It's been Monday. I had a live show yesterday on 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙. I hope you did not miss it. We're gonna talk about that as well because the 𝗕𝗔𝗬𝗢𝗙 is absolutely cooking. I am super happy to see you here, guys. If you're here, please smash the like button. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. I bring you daily trading alpha and live trades and crypto and everything else. So let's get into the content, guys. So nice seeing so many of you. Good morning from Arizona. Talk about that as well because the 𝗕𝗔𝗬𝗢𝗙 is absolutely. Holy cow, this literally just blew my ears out. Am I sounding that loud for you as well? Good morning, good morning. Yo, 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 Drew. What's up, what's up, what's up? Lovely the tie today. I saw the comment to match on Twitter. Yes, 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 of course we are. Fefe, you called this pullback a few days ago and they called you crazy. Exactly. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Game plan, buy the dip. We're gonna talk about that just now. If it is time to buy the dip. Hey, everybody. So nice, guys. Please, if you are watching on Twitter, please come to YouTube. I would truly appreciate that. Come to the YouTube stream. It actually doesn't. Maybe I'm not streaming to Twitter. Maybe that's the thing. Let me look at this. Maybe I'm not streaming to Twitter. I just noticed that my settings were off because I was streaming to 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙 the other day. Oh, I'm not streaming. Ha! So the guys. Let me just do this here, guys. Everybody, let me know, put in the chat if you have been short, if you have taken the advice that I gave you, or like did I save money for you? Let me know. Okay, I'm just gonna tweet this out there. Let's look at the market, guys. So I will be honest with you, I front run myself. I got into a Bitcoin long. I couldn't help myself. I will explain to you why. As you know, I'm always working on making this education as educational as I can. So I got into a long position here. I front run myself. I will explain to you why I did that. And I will explain to you why it might just simply get stopped. But I front run myself. I am in a Bitcoin long, not financial advice. By the way, before we proceed, I want to put this out there. As always, the content of this video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. All right, so that's out of the way. Let's go. So here's the thing, guys. For anybody who did not fade me, I salute you. For anybody who faded me, liquidation. So that's just what it is. Let me show you what I was saying previously and what I was waiting for and why everybody was fading me and all that. So basic idea here, as I explained, let me just clean this chart here. Basic idea was we have a very, very strong level. You see it on the 1 hour that this was the level that caused the dump. This was the level that caused the dump. Now this is called the flip zone because we have a dump, we have a retrace of 50, and then we have another dump. So this here is a very strong area for reversal. I've explained this in the previous lives, and look at this. It touches 3 times. This is what people call a triple top or head and shoulder. No, but it is building engineering liquidity for it to move up higher. This is actually very good that we have these 3 touches here. But what happens is that we got the first touch, we go lower, then we retrace again, and then we simply nuke. Because we came back 50 and we didn't close below here, I was actually hesitant to keep my shorts open. So I closed one of my shorts, but yesterday I shorted, I even posted about it. Yesterday I shorted, let me look at it. Let me pull it up here. Yesterday I shorted the shitcoin again. I shorted it up here. This was my short, and I closed it here today morning. So that's like, yeah, about 10%. But I had that short open only. And here is what I'm thinking. Like, so that was the idea. The question really is, where do we go? So now I think everybody starts thinking about the possibility of us going lower, like, and the fact that everybody is thinking about we potentially going lower is actually good because that's the time to send it. Why? Number one, I think we can go lower. Don't get me wrong. We can go lower. And especially if we don't, we have to close above here. So I just tweeted this. You probably follow me on Twitter, but I just tweeted this. Crystal ball, end of London, the Bitcoin takes sell side liquidity, 65.5. That actually just happened now. At end of London AM, so I corrected myself, which is now. So we started at London AM session, the end. So it literally took the liquidity when I said. The New York AM session shows a strong 5-minute or 15-minute market structure shift. So that means that we might have a little bit lower, or we just reverse from here. So we might have one more leg down. This is what I don't know. I have a stop here now. It's not a manual stop. I have a stop loss in here. We'll see how it reacts. But I front run myself because I thought this could also rip, and it's worth the risk for me. For me, there is no question that we are going to see a retrace today. Again, it's all possibilities, so I don't know. But my idea is, my vision of the market is that we are going to see a push. And then I said, look here, and then I said 50% retrace and then moon. So the basic idea here is that we are going to see, I was planning on us seeing a liquidity raid, which we saw here. So this is basically the liquidity line. And if I take it like this, you see that we also close below. So this is a strong close. Everything, if you follow my content, you know that everything happens for a reason. The fact that it closes below is not an accident. The fact that it closed below shows strength, that this level was strong enough to push the price below the previous low, which means it liquidated a lot of long positions. So that, come on. So that's a very strong indication for us that liquidity has been taken. So if we can create a higher high now, we can go and rip basically from here. This is our main structure. So we need to see, this is our internal structure, sorry. So we need to see this as a market structure shift up here. This is going to be our decision point. I need to clear this up. But this is going to be our decision point at 66.235. If we claim that it's going to rip, and I'm going to tell you where it's going to rip. Now, how did I know, right? So let's look at the chat as well. Let's look at the chat as well. Now that I'm not streaming on X, people pouring in. We got 90 people watching already. That's awesome. Welcome, everybody. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the like, please. It helps me as well. I see 85 people watching, but only 38 likes. Please, guys. It's literally the click of a button for you, but it really does help the channel. Good morning. What's up? Good morning, Australia. Good morning. I love you back, Saim. I love you back. Jim Saim, I love you. Shorted FTM already yesterday. Great. Good morning from Ireland. Good morning. Good morning, eh? Oh, sorry. It's just didn't take a short. I have big talent to fuck up trades and short in bull market way above my skill. Yeah, don't do it. This is what I said as well. Like those smashes, folks. Exactly. Looking for a bounce. Yes. Hello from Istanbul. I want to go to Istanbul. I want to see. I heard very good things about Istanbul. Like the smash button. Let's go. Twitter is the pits. Legend. What's up? Okay, great. Here from X. Yeah, you see, Paul? You would be watching on X, but now you got to come here. Vent 38. Yeah. All right, let's DGen. We got to talk about DGen, guys, but let's talk about this first. So how did I know? I didn't know. I got lucky. But why did I think that we're going to see a liquidity rate and then a pump? This is kind of the learning that I want you to take away from these lives as well. This is the learning that I want you to take away from these lives. So when you have a dump like this and an unfilled void, this is a liquidity void. It's a void because there were one participant in the market. We created these fair value gaps. This will get filled no matter what. Even if we go down to 55, this here will get filled. Why? Because there are a lot of orders that are left here. So this will get filled. The question is whether it's going to get filled like this and then we go down, or we're going to go a little more down, fill and then go down, or we're going to fill, retrace and then moon. So this void that we left from this dump is going to get filled. Second, if you look at this, we have literally closed below here and taken all the liquidity, internal liquidity from here. So this is the next level that we should be looking at. And we actually touched that level. This is the OB, the main order block. And we touched that level. So we are in here. For us, this is why it slows down. I always talk about this. Market goes like this, and then it starts dumping. And first it dumps like this, and then retraces slowly, dumps, retraces slowly, and then dumps, and retraces slowly, and dumps, and it becomes like something like this. until it shows a market structure shift and moons. So that's exactly what we see here. So you see a dump here. You see a dump here. Dump, slow retrace. Dump, slow retrace. Dump, slow trace, but it's not a retrace. It is slowing down. So the dump is slowing down. And when it's slowing down, and especially if it's slowing down in a high probable reversal area, the likelihood of this turning around is pretty high. It's pretty high. So what you want to wait for is a 5-minute market structure shift. So why did I think that we are going to dump and take liquidity? Well, because when liquidity is engineered like this, here this is all liquidity. A lot of people are short. A lot. You have no idea. So people are shorting here and here and here and here. And when they short, they put their stop losses where? They put their stop losses here, 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 here. A lot of people. So what market makers do, and people who longed, they said, okay, you know how many times you heard that buy the dip, buy the dip. People who bought the dip here, they put their stop losses down here, hoping for the best. Market makers know that. Market makers need liquidity for them to get their prices in. I have a 0.35% stop loss now. And I genuinely think it's not going to get hit. But because we didn't see a 5-minute market structure shift, we can still have one more leg down. But the reason why they did this is because there are a lot of people who are short at this level. And we didn't have any confirmation for us to, let me look at it, liquidity taken. We didn't have any confirmation as to the reversal happening. So maybe this, again, as I said, I'm front running myself. I'm completely aware that this can be a stop loss because we did not see a 5-minute market structure shift. And because it's still building liquidity, it is probably going to, actually, I'm going to move my stop loss. I'm going to take my stop loss in. Also, don't do this. So liquidity is taken here. Liquidity is taken here. Oh, we didn't close. Oh, we didn't close below on the 5 minute. Sorry, it was a 3 minute. So now we're gonna close below the 5 minute. Okay, we're gonna close below the 5 minute because this is how it works. So this low here is the low, right? So nothing has happened below. This doesn't matter. So we need to see a close below the low for us to confirm a new low. And even though that there is a wick, this does not become a low. This doesn't become a low because this is just a liquidity hunt. We need a close below. And probably we're going to see the close below now. We've got 2 minutes to go. If we are lucky, it goes a little bit below here. And then it takes this high. That will be just phenomenal. But that's the basic idea here. So the reason why I knew that liquidity has to be taken is because a lot of times, first of all, London manipulates, New York distributes, right? So Asia accumulates, Asia accumulates. Look at this. Asia accumulates. London manipulates. New York distributes. That's the basic idea here again. And for London to manipulate, it needs to take serious liquidity. And where was serious liquidity? Here. There's serious liquidity here. People longing. Bam. Hit them. And then potentially move on. So that's why I am looking at a long. Now, from a macro perspective, here's my problem. So just so we're clear, I'm not sure we are mooning. I am pretty confident that we are coming back for a retrace here. I'm pretty confident we're coming at least 67,300, and that's a 1 to 7. I mean, if I left my stop loss there, right? This was the idea here, but because we didn't close above, I might just not do that. But it would be a 1 to 8 risk reward trade, right? So if it's worth taking it. I moved my stop loss, just so you guys know. I moved my stop loss, but that's the basic idea here, right? So from the macro perspective, though, here's the problem. From the macro perspective, this is nothing. So this level here is not a strong level. Why? To define a strong level, you need to. On the internal level, this is a strong level. But on the grand scheme of things, what is our main low and main high? This is basically our main high. This is basically our main high, and this is our main low, right? So that's kind of our range. So within this range, this here is an internal range because we took liquidity here. We created a high here. We retraced, we created a high here. So this level is a strong level if you consider that, because then in the internal level, this is low, this is high, this is the low, this is the high. Technically, this is a very strong level on the internal level. However, on the external level, this level was not enough to break the swing high. And because of that, might be violated. And if it is violated, then it means that we are going lower. Now, how much lower we go? So I think we're gonna see a retrace for sure. And then the question comes, are we going to moon, or are we continuing the dump? And if we are continuing the dump, either, in my opinion, either we reverse here, or we're going down to 55. So that's the main takeaway. I'll say it again. Either we bounce here, where we are around where we are right now, above 62, or we're going down to the daily PD, which is 55,000. If we are going down to the weekly PD, we're looking at 52,000, 52 to 48,000. I don't think that's happening, but can be. What is most likely, if we don't bounce around here, and if we are not seeing the bounce that we want to see, is that we are going to go down to 55,000. That's the sad reality. We're gonna see a bounce question. No, it's gonna take liquidity. Look at this. It's probably gonna come down a little more. It is probably going to come down a little more. Let's see. Let me look at the chat, guys. We have 116 people watching. So nice having you here. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let me look at the subscriber count as well. I usually bring it up, but does this make sense, guys? Please let me know if this makes sense. Please let me know if this makes sense. I don't know how it's here. $3,000. We broke 3,000, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, let me look at it. What's the target for push? So the target for the push is what I explained. If you pull the fib, the premium discount, we're coming up to potentially 62, so around this 67,500. That's like the minimum I'm targeting now. This is about 3% move. Again, I'm a trader, right? So it's a 3% move. That's what I'm targeting, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Can I outline when yeah, you've got indicators. You've got a bunch of indicators and you can search for it, but this is what I have. London is basically, London AM session is closing now. New York starting in about 2 hours, 2-3 hours. But you can just write in Forex session times, and then you can set the indicators for yourself. I use 𝗥𝗚𝗚𝗏, and then I just customize so you can search for sessions, and then it's 𝗥𝗚𝗏 sessions. It's a free session indicator, and then you can double click it, and then you can set the times for yourself, the sessions you want to see. This is what I use. Yes. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, or the other way around. I need to go back and review that. Work use the market session time indicator. It can be as well. Hey, Nitro Bunny in the house. Man, you have to stream more often. I learned so much here. Oh, I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy. Got some good longs for today. Yeah, we can look at it. Prepare your coins as well. I think we can find good trades together. So please prepare your coins as well, because we can get great entries. 55K, yeah, but that would be wow. 61,200. Either we bounce here or we go lower. That's what I'm saying. Please stream more. The knowledge you give us is insane. Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. I appreciate it. I take it. Don't do that, Leon. Don't do that. I'm serious. Don't do that. I will fuck up, and I fuck up as well a lot of times. So don't do it. Don't take my trades. And especially it's not financial advice, guys. I don't want to pressure as well. This is why I say always don't take it. Everybody was calling. You know, it's actually pretty tough. Like I'm gonna tell you, I actually stopped. So I was short. Look at this. I was short. I posted. If you follow me on Twitter, you know that. But I posted this as well. Look at it. Look. So I made this tweet. And I said, this is a typical market maker. It's 4 days ago. This is a typical market maker technique. Raid liquidity close below the POI that caused the pump. Retrace the premium, nuke it. This is what I said. And here's what happened. This was the level. Literally, this is where I posted this thing. So raid liquidity to the upside, create a market structure shift, come and nuke it. Now it retraced all the way to the 5-minute POI, and then it nuked. And I think it will go lower. So the whole idea here is, but I was short here. I was short here and the retrace. I was short at around 71,600-ish. Blowfin went down, so I couldn't add to my short, but I wanted to add to my short here. But the problem was, to be very honest with you, is that even now, it's very difficult, especially now that I got into this influencer game. It's very difficult to keep to your, when you're trading. This is what I think. The best thing you can do when you learn how to trade is to sit in your own basement and trade. A genuine thing. I don't watch any other traders. I don't want to know what other traders think. Sometimes it's good to share minds, but you have to stick to your conviction. And when you learn how to trade, this is how you grow. This is how you, and what fucks with my mind is that I read my Twitter, I talk to people, and I'm like, okay, maybe I'm the wrong. And from time, and I'm not praising myself, because I will fuck up, and I fuck up a lot of times. But from time to time, it's proven that I get this right. I just get this. I just kind of lose sight, because so many, when 99% of people say something else and you stick to your conviction, it's not the best. So like it's tough, but you gotta stick to your convictions. You gotta stick to your convictions, and I will get it wrong a lot of times. So it's going down to 63, 64, maybe that happens. Oh yeah, so it would have stopped me out now. Now is the time. Now is the question: did we close below? We did close below. Now I think we will pump now. If we don't pump now, I might just stop, close it, and break even. The weekend was good. But you're doing this to teach. yes, exactly. Public trading would be a hard mental game. Yeah, it is. Okay. So we need to see a higher high here. Let's talk about degen. I talked about degen yesterday. Let me. I want to talk to you about this, guys, because this is super important. Like super important. I don't know if you guys are into meme coins and whatnot. I had a show the other day on Banter. It was yesterday. Watch this show. Watch this show. This is the first meme. Let me just move myself a bit. The first meme to buy. What? The first. What? Be the first to buy meme coins or degen. Yes. So there is a chain called degen. That's like the name of the chain, degen. There is a coin as well, degen. That's why I wanna take a long position on this coin. This is one of my longs that I wanna talk to you about. But this is basically a completely new layer 3. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go to Banter and watch this video. I think I also tweeted saying that I've missed so many trades because I did not act on the feeling when I was right. And there's the same thing here. I feel like this thing is gonna explode, and maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm completely wrong and missing the picture, but watch that video. So the reason why I brought it in here as well, yeah, by the way, I don't know who was here in the live, but I literally shorted GMT up here, 43. Sold it around 15%, sold it around down here. When we saw this bounce, I sold it. But still, it's down, since we shorted it, it's literally down 30%. I told you it's a useless coin. It's like an absolute useless shit. So the reason why I'm bringing you, let's put some alerts here, because I think we are there. We need to see the bounce now. I think we're not gonna close below 64,500. We're not gonna close below there. Potentially the change, potentially the reversal comes. This is also, I'm looking for inefficiencies in the market. I'm looking for places that pumped the market. So this was one. You have a big inefficiency that took liquidity as well. So this is the liquidity here, both relative equal highs, and like it's just the whole pool. This level was responsible for taking that liquidity, and it left a fair value gap that could be filled. What is the next level? Next level is here. What is the next level? Next level is here. What is the next level? Well, we got one down here, and we've got one down here. So these are the levels that can potentially be reversal areas. So this is kind of what I'm looking at. Now we basically bled through the first one. You see, this is where the first bounce came from, the first level that we marked. The second level is struggling now, but potentially this is like, it's not happening. So probably we're going to come down one more, 65, and then we need to see a reversal. And also, we are a little bit too early. So London AM, after end of London AM usually manipulates, and New York usually distributes. So, and New York doesn't open for like another 2-3 hours. So we need to wait a little bit more. So we might have a little bit of buggering around here, engineering liquidity, then a dump, then a pump. So this can play out, but I'm pretty confident that we are going to see a pump. Yes. So why did I bring 𝗕𝗔𝗦? Sorry guys, Why did I bring 𝗕𝗔𝗦 here? I brought 𝗕𝗔𝗦 here because they got listed on Blowfin as well, but they got listed on Bybit as well and all the other exchanges. Blowfin doesn't have a chart yet, as I saw. That it literally just, or maybe it does have a chart, but you won't see the history. But here's the thing: the reason why it's so I loaded up. Full disclosure: I am big on 𝗕𝗔𝗦, the coin 𝗕𝗔𝗦, the whole ecosystem 𝗕𝗔𝗦, the 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙. There is this 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙 coin. So I'm big on these. Full disclosure: I'm holding them. I'm not planning on selling. Let me show you. So you got this 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙. It's a nice dip, guys. It's I think these dips are for buying, especially when you know when to buy. So anyway, so I'm big on all this. But what I wanted to show you is that there is this 𝗕𝗔𝗦 token that got listed on centralized exchanges. When you look at the DEX chart, when you look at the DEX tool chart, I am not that bullish. I'm not that bullish because we are up like, I don't even know what it was, 2020x, yeah? So on the DEX tools, this is not a very bullish chart. However, why does it set it to 2 hours? However, it is a pretty bullish chart if I look at the market sentiment. So if I look here and if I say, where's 𝗕𝗔𝗦? I look here and I say, okay, so this would be the 𝗕𝗔𝗦 chart, right? It comes down, after listing, it has a major dump. So obviously after listing, 30% down. And the fundamentals didn't help as well, like what we see with Bitcoin going down and whatnot. But I think the narrative for 𝗕𝗔𝗦 is just getting started. It's very, very young, especially the way they launched this whole thing. It's very, very young, very early. Second, we do have a great TA chart looking here. So we have a high here. Just so you know, this is a 𝗕𝗔𝗦 play. Like 𝗕𝗔𝗦 itself is a 𝗕𝗔𝗦 play, but longing 𝗕𝗔𝗦 on perpetuals is not the best idea. But I'm going to do this, and I want to be transparent with you. I want to tell you what I'm doing. So this is what I'm going to do. Because I think this can pull, I literally think this can pull a 10-20x in the next 12 months. Easy. That's just my opinion. Especially if they can pull it off. It's a very experimental thing, but they could do it. So if we consider that this is a market structure shift on the 15-minute, 1 hour, whatever that is, because it is, then that means that, market structure shift means that we have a high that caused the dump, close below the previous low, and it creates a market structure shift. It's shifting the market structure, meaning after creating lower highs, it is creating a higher high. And now it's created a higher low. Again, engineered liquidity created a higher low and is, in my opinion, ready to move on. So if Bitcoin starts reversing, if I see a strong market structure shift on Bitcoin, I will probably get in on a long position on 𝗕𝗔𝗦. Again, you can play it spot as well. I hold quite some 𝗕𝗔𝗦 on spots, but I'm gonna take this specifically with leverage. I know that I can lose all my money here. Just so you know, this is very volatile. If you look at this, especially if you look at the DEX tools chart, it can literally dump another 50-60%. So I know that. I know the risk I'm taking. And if you want to play this game, you have to understand as well that this is very risky. However, to the upside, if I look at this and I say we go back to at least pre-listing prices, this is the 30-40% pump. So if you play it with like 10x leverage or 15x leverage, this can be a very nice play, but only if you believe in the whole promise of 𝗕𝗔𝗦. And if you don't know what that is, go and watch the show I made on Banter. Let me look at the chat. We got 141 people watching and only 97 likes. So there is the poop Robin. Please, guys, smash the like button, and please also, if you can, or if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Let me look at the chat. So many chat. It's so nice. So nice seeing you. I'm gonna go. I got help coming. I got help on the way. How you seeing mirror? We can look at coins. Bitcoin Cash halving in 1 day. Yes, yes, yes. What's the invalidation point for a long now? There is no long. There is no long. I was just front running the market. There is no long. No. It's not done yet. We need to see a strong market structure shift. I'm gonna not try to look at charts this morning weeks, but I'll keep trying to learn. Yes, you're welcome. Is bread still a good investment? It's never been a good investment. Maybe it's me. First meme on base. Maybe it is. I don't know. Hey Michael, what's up? Shame that I try to stop investing. Already in argument with my wife. Would love to invest. You gotta rotate. Is Beta faster to transact with as opposed to Jupiter, or is it Phantom Wallet thing with slowing transactions? Yeah. So here's the thing. I realized also that a lot of people don't know how to buy meme coins. So I'm doing a tutorial next week on Banter exactly on how to buy meme coins. Got to reverse now. If it doesn't reverse now, next level is 64,479. I'm just thinking that, so what I'm doing, I have to realize that you guys watching me just look at the chart. So what I'm thinking is the following. I front run myself, and because I believe that there is a pump coming, I took my stop loss in. Obviously the stop loss was a good idea to have it here, but I took it in because I thought we're just gonna wick and move on. Because we didn't do that, my idea is whether I should just add to my long here. I don't know. I think I went 30x. Let me see what my this is my 𝗕𝗔𝗬𝗢 account, and I also took some cash off, so I only have $7,000 in here. I'm gonna talk to you about that as well. I had like 30,000 here the other week, and then I just realized like, fuck, like so much money to be made in memes. I literally took my account, like I took 20K off of this account and just put it into memes. It's just and it's just absolutely. I will tell you about it in a second. But my liquidation price is 61,300. So I either add my 60. Oh no, that's good. That's good. Okay, we're gonna have a bounce. So I'm gonna add to my position here a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna add to it now. Don't do this. There is no confirmation. No. I long Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Oh my god. Horrible thing. I'm gonna add to my position here. This platform is Bluefin, by the way, guys. And if you don't use Bluefin, I think you're missing out. I genuinely think you're missing out. It's fantastic, a fantastic platform. Also, we are launching Gummy, and you will be able to qualify for the Gummy airdrop if you sign up to Bluefin. There is a link in the description, so check it out. It's non-KYC, available worldwide. I know the team, non-custodial. They don't keep your funds. Therefore, even if they go bankrupt, your funds are safe because they custody it. Fireblocks, a third party. Definitely check it out. So I added to my long here. This is still just recovery. So now the decision point is down here. So we need to see this happen. That's what we're waiting. We have 160 people watching. Guys, smash that like button, please. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I know I'm like a teleshop, whatever, TV shopping person, but it's so, you have no idea how much this helps the channel. Guys, once we look at this, we got a little boost from Rand mentioning me, and this channel started picking up. And since then, we literally gained 1,000 subscribers in 1 week. So you smashing that like button takes you a second, and it can really be life-changing for the channel. So I'm giving you this free alpha. I don't have sponsors here. I don't plug anything here. It's just, it's all my time, my love, my whatever, but I really want to build this up so we can help more people. So I would truly appreciate if you smash the like button and subscribe if you have not done that already. 38K incoming, I don't think so. Does your Bluefin link qualify for Bento? Yes, it does. There is a link in the description. It does qualify for the Gummy airdrop. 𝗕𝗔𝗬𝗢 is the jitter dump on 𝗕𝗔𝗬𝗢. I don't know what that means. No more alpha until we reach 120 likes. That's what's up. First thing to do always. Thank you, 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗢. Thank you. What about upcoming Doge Day? Yeah, I don't know if it's a nothing burger. I don't know. Can you look at Banana Gun? It's like never really dump. It's like never really dumping. We can look at it. Is there a high time frame OB nearby that it might be heading to? Yes, so there was this one. We are in that OB. So this is the main OB. This here. This is the high time frame OB. Here. So we are in there, and we are 50% in there. So we have to have a bounce here. I might be wrong, but we have to have a bounce here. During the third wave of LEO wave down, it have a small bounce for a fourth wave and continue down in fifth wave. Oh, can be. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know LEO waves, but it can be. Don't scare us by saying no when the markets are like this. Just signed up for Brofin, but I can't figure out how to transfer money from my bank account to my Brofin account. You can't. So that's the thing. So you can't do that. That's the problem. You can't transfer. Brofin is not a fiat on-ramp just now. So you have to use another exchange like Bybit, or you have to have another fiat on-ramp to get money into Brofin. I appreciate you. Is the gummy airdrop on Bando Bubbles based on points? Yes. So let's talk about some stuff that is relevant as well. This is all, everything I bring you here is literally just for the alpha. So number one, DGen thing, look at it. I bought 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. It's pretty fucking cool. The whole thing, DGen chain, if you haven't heard about it, DGen is literally gonna be a chain, not gonna be, it is a layer 3 on top of base. It's zero fees, so you can use the chain freely, and it is designed for the DGen people, so we don't have to use Solana if we want to DGen. So it's still an experimental phase. I think it will pick up. If you buy 𝗕𝗘𝗢 here, it's like buying 𝗕𝗘𝗢 on day one. I think it's interesting to look at. There is a video on Banter, go check that out. Second, Banter Bubbles and the gummy airdrop. So as I said, we do have the gummy coming. It's fucking crazy. Look at this. Gummy on solid. Also, I want to tell you guys, the way Ren did this is literally, we were like, we should show people how to make a meme coin, right? And Ren was like, okay, he put the whole thing together. He had everything done. We took a breath and it was done. So there is a whole website about it. Very important. Before all the, I wanted to say fuckers, but I don't want to say fuckers on the stream. So I'm not going to say fuckers. I'm just going to say the crazy guys. Come here and say that we make a bunch of money and we rock people. We literally have a zero allocation. Zero. So I got no allocation. The team does not get allocation. We can buy as well as you guys buy it. And we get the airdrop as you guys get it. So we got 10% for marketing. So for example, if an influencer, you know, to spread the word, this is also very, very low compared to industry standards. Got the airdrop 30%. You have to use Banter Bubbles. You have to use Banter Bubbles. You have a point on the application. If you download the app, also link in the description, you get a point running. You get gummy for it. And we will have a fair launch. So we will raise 60%. That goes into liquidity. No team, no founder gets point. 100% goes to the community. It's pretty cool. I genuinely think that this can be the largest community-driven meme. It's really, 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 really good. That's just my opinion. So I would definitely download Banter Bubbles. You have to qualify. You can also qualify for the airdrop if you sign up to Brofin. There is a link in the description, and deposit some funds. My link down in the description also qualifies you for that. Let's look at other. Let me know in the comment. In the chat, what coins you want me to look at. We can start looking at the market. We can start looking at longs. I think we are in a good position to do that. GMT is such a shit show. I should take a DGen long, guys. This is showing such a strength here. But I'm concerned. Should we take a small one? I didn't see a confirmation on Bitcoin. That's my struggle. That if this still is, if this keeps. By the way, my Solana bag didn't even move. Like not even a little bit. It's like I opened my Phantom wallet. I opened my portfolio today and I was like, oh, I'm down. I opened my Phantom wallet and I thought it was gonna be crashed, but it was up. It was literally up. So maybe DGen will fly as well. I don't know. I don't want to take a long until I know more, until I get the confirmation. Let's look at some charts. How many points we got on Banter Bubbles, guys? I don't even know how many points. I can't. I don't want to share how many points I have. I don't have a lot. I will share. I'll share. Let's look at it. Ren will be like, what? Oh no, I have 10. No, I don't want to share it with you guys. It's embarrassing. I've got. Take a guess. Take a guess how many points I have. It's embarrassing. It's literally embarrassing. TP on a DGen entry. Moon. I'm serious. I'm not even kidding. So technically, fuck, I'm gonna take this, guys. It's showing such a strength. I'm gonna take this. No, what am I doing now? I'm gonna take this, but I think this is just so you know, like it's completely. I'm gonna take it on isolated margin. So this is gonna be a good example as well. Another alpha for you guys. When I say I take it in isolated margin, I want to take it in isolated margin because I don't want this to liquidate me. Oh, there's no chart yet, is it? It literally just got launched. I think it got launched like an hour ago. I'm gonna buy this either way. I'm gonna buy like $500 worth. I'm gonna go 10x. And I'm gonna go long, buy long. Yeah, I'll long this. So when I take an isolated margin position, that means that my liquidation price is 38.96, and that means that if price goes down to 38.96, which is up here below this low, I lose my money. So it's rather like a bet. If we do degen, we got to do degen. So it's not like a cross margin when I can leverage my whole account. But I also know I'm not going to lose more than this. So that's all I can lose. I can only lose $500, and that's what it is. Only 2.5 mil. No. Why do we have this second pullback? Is it because the first one not big enough? Yeah, so go back, look at the whole explanation I had on why we have the pullback is back there. Okay, let's start looking at some charts. Let's start looking at some charts. INJ. Let's look at INJ. Very good, guys. It's gonna be such a fucking strong long. I'm telling you, it's gonna rip faces. Today we're gonna print. Yeah, I might wanna. Yeah, I'm probably gonna move back some funds to my exchange account. Yeah, it's gonna rip. Look at this. The same scenario, exact same scenario. Fuck, this looks so good. This looks so good, so good. The only problem I don't like here is liquidity. Look at this. It's like all the lows. It's probably gonna take that liquidity, and when it does, it will be magical. Yeah. So again, I'm gonna go through all the coins, but I want to give you an ultimate. Like if you just looking at your chart and we won't have time to do this, I just want to give you something. This is what you want to look for. It's coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, and doing something like this, and then it does something like this. This is what you want to look for on the 15 minute. If you can look on the 15 minute, that's perfect. If you can get it on a 5 minute, it's also very good. Higher the time frame, the more the confirmation is. So if you get this on the 5 minute, great. If you get it on 15 minute, much stronger. If you get it on the hour, fucking legendary. That's very, very good. So, and then you can enter here, stop loss here, or you can wait for a 50% retrace, enter here, stop loss here. This is what you're gonna see on a lot of charts today. And then what you wanna do is that you wanna pull the 50% and say, okay, look, this chart is also fantastic. There's always been 50% pullback. There is a 50% pullback here, look. Here, and then I pull it from here to here. There is a 50% here. Then I pull it from here. No, there was no. Okay, there was no. In the last one, there was no 50%. So this is the level on INJ that I'm looking at. This here. So if I long INJ, I'm looking at this 33 region, which is still like, what is this? It's still like 5-6% up. So this is the level that I'm looking at. You always have to pull at the end. You always have to pull the fib and see where the 50% retracement is. So because we can still get that 50%, and this is actually more likely than not, that we're gonna get the 50% retrace and then a continuation down. That's what I think, but it's the bull, whatever can happen. So that's about INJ. Wait for a confirmation above, close above 31.78 will be great. Matic, guys, please smash the like button. I see 109. We broke record. We broke the record, guys. We've got 189 people. We have 189 people watching. This is a record. We never had 189 people watching live at the same time. How is the subscriber button? How is the subscribing thing going up? Can you also? Okay, we are moving. Can you guys also smash the like button, please? We've got 186 people watching and 128 likes. Can you please just smash that? That would be great. I appreciate it. Okay. Let's look at Matic. Let's look at Matic. Let's do. Same thing, as I explained, exact same thing. Exact same scenario. We had 50 here. Is it 50? It's not 50 here. Yeah, it's 50. Yeah, it's 50. It's 50 up here. 50% done. 50% done. 50% not done. Yeah, we're probably gonna retrace a bit and then move down. Nice risk reward. I'm looking at on 𝗕𝗘𝗘𝗢𝗙. I'm looking at least 92.8. 92.8. RNDR. Same scenario. Exact same scenario. Exact same scenario. There's no 50% retrace here at the back. I mean, in the end, you're gonna push 5-6%. We're gonna see a 5-6% bounce. So we're gonna see a little bit of bounce here. We're gonna see exactly aligns with what I said. Exactly aligns with what I said. It's a 2-3-4% bounce on Bitcoin. Exactly. Let's look at FET. We had 192 in the live. Guys, can we break 200? Can we break 200? That would be fantastic. Ooh, FET is a good long now. FET is a good long now. Look, ooh. Who wrote FET? Christoph. Lovely. Lovely, brother. South African say brew. I got that brew thing going on as well. Shout out to my South African guys and girls. Yeah, so don't pull it from there. Pull it from here. We're more than down. Let's look at the hourly. This would be the hourly POI. We close below, not good. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Yeah. Not bad, but not the best. This would not be a stupid trade. It's not the best because this is not a clear market structure shift up here. This is not a clear market structure shift. We need at least 3 consecutive candles for us to confirm a low, and this is just one. So potentially there will be one more spike down. But if there is a spike down, and if we're able to close below, wow, that would be fantastic. But FET is looking good. FET is looking definitely good. Sylvia, if you don't mind, I would not do 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙, please. Please don't. Please don't make me do that. You know what? It's gonna come out very badly because you're a lady. But I'm gonna tell you something. I literally just saw the other day that 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙. Oh my God, where did this channel go? Okay, so no, I can't do this, guys. I can't do this. I can't. Okay, I'm gonna do it. So 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙 is cock in you. So I don't know if you guys know this or it's just news to me, but I thought like 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙 is like a cock because of the chicken, and then you know inu is because of all the Shiba Inu and all that. But I think someone is making fun with us saying 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙. I think that's cock in you, you know. Anyway, sorry. I saw 208 people live, so we broke the record, guys. We broke over 200. We broke 208, so that's very good. Nitro Bunny saying Shiba. Let's do Shiba. Shiba Inu, you know. Doesn't sound that good, does it? Same thing. Look at this. Liquidity taken. Same thing. Same thing. Liquidity taken. Bam. What is the actual highs up here? If we take these, we're looking at the retrace on the 50. It's the exact same thing. AR. It's the exact same thing. Oh, I might be looking at long in AR, by the way. This is good. If we break above, yeah. Not the best. Not the best because this is only 2 candles, but this, because they took massive liquidity, I think this would be nice. Close above 33.6-ish, 33.6-ish could be a great long. Could be a great long. You know what's so nice? Seeing girls, ladies joining the live stream. I'm literally, I think we don't have enough ladies in crypto, and seeing like so many girls are here, you know, so many girls are here. I'm so happy to see that. That's actually very, very nice. Can you check 𝗬𝗏? We can look at 𝗬𝗏 as well. Look at 𝗬𝗏, let's go. 𝗬𝗏 is not listed on Blowfin. I'm gonna do you a favor. Don't like the chart. Here's the problem. This made a high. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, good. You see, this is a very good example. Let me give you another alpha. So if you let's where is this thing going? Okay, let me give you another alpha. So here is a low, and then it comes and people say, oh, it's a retrace to support, and then they start, when they make a higher high, they start longing. This is exactly what the market maker wants, because this is not a new support. This is nothing. This is our low, and until this low gets violated, there's nothing. And once the low is violated, liquidity is taken, and a market structure shift shown, then we can start getting in a long position. Not until then. So they say not showing any points now. Okay, you didn't guess how many points I have. I'm just gonna scroll to the bottom, guys. I need my guy coming. My cousin's coming to work with me. I need it. My brother-in-law actually, but I will just call him cousin. We got 211 people live, guys. It's just so fucking crazy. Thought on Bitcoin this week. Yes, please check back what I thought. At my view, we have 208 viewers. Congrats. Thank you. I just found my recovery phrase for my old Phantom wallet. Not that there was money in it, just a couple of friends. Good. Same for Black Cock. You said it, not me. You didn't spot that? No, I didn't. That was my first time. I was like, what? There's news saying Russia middlemen are using cryptocurrency to bypass the sanctions. Probably. No, it's happening. Everybody knows it. Disgusting. I don't know what it is, but I think it's the Russian thing maybe. Disgusting is a cockinu. Oh, sorry. Is this your actual profile? If it is, I salute you. It's so awesome having you here, hey? Sui, we can look at Sui. Let's look at Sui. Not bad, but it's bleed. Look at this. Were we long down here? Oof, look at this. This was our long. If you watched the show, you've been here. This 30%. Oh my God. Great long. Very good long. It's coming down hard. That's my problem with Sui. It's coming fucking down. If we let me delete everything from this chart. If we come down, yeah, I just don't like the price action. It's like a bleedy something. I don't know. If we break above here, then it's good. If we break above here, potentially we can look for a long, but I'll set an alert. But I think we're gonna have one more down, and that move on. We can look at Link. So saying, wow, how are you that far behind not knowing the real meaning of coquino? You're not a crypto bro anymore. Okay, bye. Yeah. I didn't follow coquino, you know. I don't know. I don't know what you like. Anonymous. Okay. But I don't like cock in you, cock in me. I don't like that, but you know, 𝗕𝗘𝗘𝗦. Link. Yeah, it's weak. Gotta have one more. But you see the line that I've drawn here, the OB that I've drawn in the beginning of the show. It's literally bouncing, reacting from that OB. You can spot these levels. We are probably gonna get a reversal at 64,479. That's what I'm thinking now. But we'll take it level by level. Oh, nice! Look, this is very good. Link is great. Link is great. If this would not have been building liquidity, this would have been very. Everything looks like it wants to just go down, but this is actually great. This is actually great. The only problem with this is that it's building liquidity, but it's good. It's good. If you could get in like when it takes liquidity, that would be fantastic. But because we had this major dump, look at this. So it literally just claimed that level. It closed above on the 5 minute, potentially in the 15 as well. Yeah, it's actually not a bad long. I would not take it because of liquidity. This is not a. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's actually not a bad long. It's not a bad long at all. It's not a bad long. I will not take it because of liquidity, but it's not a bad long. Uncle Run loves AR. Yes. Whoop whoop, what are daisies? Let's hit the like. Yeah, let's get the likes to 200. Come on, it's 160. We got 205 people watching, so we can do that. Come on. Always. I was in trouble. There was some pretty bad news posts on Twitter. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Link, Nash, we just analyzed. Sorry. 𝗕𝗓𝗢 is eating his lunch. I don't know what that means, but I'm invested in 𝗕𝗓𝗢. I'm actually heavy in. Guys, I have to add to my DGen position. I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm not even kidding. I'm not just fucking. I have to add to it. If we got a reversal here, I so want to get this DGen long. And the chart looks good. I'll add to it. I'll add to it. Fuck it. Let's go. Let's go. So my average entry is what? 42, 41. Yeah, I should have done this cross. I should have done this cross, but this can really, really, really go down very fast. Okay. 𝗕𝗓𝗢. I wanted to look at 𝗕𝗓𝗢. I am in 𝗕𝗓𝗢. I'm pretty heavy as well. I got in quite high, to be honest. I got in at 11-ish. Yeah, I'm down about 25-30%. But this can be very, very good. This can be very good. So I'm in there. So we're saying 20K. Oh, about the points. So I honestly, I had 10,000 points, but probably there is some stuff with it resetting and whatever. So I had that issue probably, but now it's better. Let's look at Gala. Same thing, same scenario as I explained. Same scenario. Close above 57.4 will take you to at least 6. 𝗕𝗢𝗢 coin, is it? I heard about it again. Someone is gonna complain again that I don't know what 𝗕𝗢𝗢 coin is, but is this like 𝗕𝗢𝗢 coin? Is this like the name of the coin, or you mean this? You mean this 𝗕𝗢𝗢? Honestly, I think this 𝗕𝗢𝗢 is done. It's like, I don't know. It's just, I think it's done. But could be a good trade. So saying these girls are fake. No girls in cryptos sparring at all. Don't let the metrics fool you. Sylvia, are you fake? Rin, are you are you fake? Let me look at I saw some ladies here. Anyway, I'm just so happy to see ladies watching as well. I think we need more girls in crypto. What about GRT? Let's look at it. Same thing, exact same thing. Close above 338, 339 will take you to at least 35.5, 35.6. Man, your charts are so clean with so much knowledge in it. Where did you learn all this stuff? You need to make a course or something. Yeah, so there is something coming, cooking in the timeline. We are discussing. We're going to, I think after Dubai we will have a little bit more to know. It's not that any are weak. They low entry points, read what we want. It looks like Ren the man was right. BTC2. Ren was calling for higher, guys. Ren was fading me, just to be clear. Ren was fading me when I said that we're going lower. So very supportive on BTC. Yeah, so that's the question, right? So I think we're gonna see a bounce now, around now. I think we're gonna see a bounce. And then, but if we don't, like that's the problem. If we don't see a bounce, we are going lower. So I don't think that this 63,870 is like a strong level. We need to hold that. But if we don't see a bounce now, I think it's 55. I'm genuinely not joking. If we don't see a bounce now to at least 67,500, it's 55. It's 55. DGen up 5%. Let's go. I feel this is spot accumulation so weak in a sense is good. Yes. Original 𝗕𝗢𝗢 we just did. Sylvia, I think you can be a bot. Like I see you posted this probably 80 times. Are you a bot? Right, I am not a bot if you're not a bot, okay? Just so we know. And also right if you're a lady, because someone is saying you're not a lady, you just have a lady profile picture. Based AI is the peppercoin original play thing that bunch of influencers are discussing and causing OG peppercoin. Yeah, exactly. No, I know. I heard about peppercoin, but I never really wrote in peppercoin. AR. Okay, here's our bounce. Is it? Yes, I think AR is a good play. I think AR is a good play now. All liquidity has been taken. I'm going to take a long here. Don't do this. Not financial advice. I don't want to take responsibility for you taking trades with me in a risky market. Please do not follow this. Did it? Oh, it's cross. Let's do cross. Invalidation down here. So this is actually a good trade. This is actually a good trade. 50 done, 50 done, 50 done, 50 done, 50 done, 50 done. Ooh, this is a very good trade. 50 done. This is a good trade. We need to close above here, guys. That's the important stuff. We need to close above here. We need to. This is still not. Still, I front run myself a little bit, but if we close above here, it's a done deal. Close above here is a done deal. Close above 33.74. This can be a great trade. We got 280 people fucking watching. What the fuck? I'm so happy, guys. It's so fucking. It's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. We should do live trading again. Live trading's been fun. I mean, we kind of do live trading here, but it's not the live trading that we used to do, eh? I'm up $6 and I'm down 91 on DGen and I'm down 150. This is not a bad. I think it's not a bad trade. We need to close above here, just to be sure. Let's see what my liquidation on. The problem is that I'm over leveraged on BTC because I added my my position as a with a set stop, but now I moved my stop because I thought it was clever. It is kind of clever, but 223. Okay, Irene is saying she's real. That's good. Sylvia's saying no. That's not what we asked, Irene. You are. I think you are suspicious. Bunter Bubbly is not fake. Great. I'm DCing in Kenya. Yeah, I think Kenya can be good. Kenya can be good. Sylvia's saying no peppercoin. No peppercoin. We want to know. I think you're a butt. I think you're a butt. Welsh is great. People are sleeping on COS. I don't know what COS is. Peppercoin is the original pepper from like 2016. Oh wow, I didn't know that. Sylvia's saying just write if you're a butt or not. Just it's easy. Just write if you're a butt. Just write if you're a butt or not. And also if you're a girl, just write it down. You know anything about not coin? Yes, I know. You gotta tap, and you get the not coin. A week or two ago, before last bounce, he was saying that he will buy Bitcoin under 60K. I can try to find his statement. Please do. US session may tip it up, but they're usually the most volatile sessions. Yes, they distribute. The reason why the US is the most volatile is because they distribute. So what you usually see is that you have accumulation on Asia, you have manipulation on London, and then you have distribution on New York. That's why they're, so to say, volatile, but they're just explosive. They have the distribution that happens after manipulation and accumulation. Miang is a woman. Great. No, I'm not, and this is my real pick. So whoever says she's a butt, she's not a butt. That's fantastic to know. So what should we look at? Sylvia, now you can tell us what should we look at. Who made DGen layer 3? A team. I don't know exactly who did. I think they are dogs. Maybe I don't know. How is it to believe women are also watching? No, I'm not. No, it's not hard. I'm actually very, very happy. I'm extremely happy. I'm really happy. That's what I said. But Sylvia was posting peppercoin like a million times, and I thought she was butting. So, but I'm very, very happy. Okay, now let's look at what Sylvia was. Now let's look at it. We went to the UK changeover period. Yes, we are. Don't forget to hide the Rollbit logo. Yes. How's it? How's it? I'm not fake. Oh yeah. Come on, I'm not fake, but okay, great. No, but I'm not. Nice. We can look at 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙. First, you can now confirm. Okay, good. So what should we look at? Let's look at 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙, and then we look at Peppercoin. Okay. Let's look at 𝗕𝗘𝗢𝗙. So, great area. Yeah, I don't like this. So technically we should close above here. That would be ideal. Close above 12.9 could send us. Or just a little bit of fuckery around here and then something like this, you know. We have 232 guys. I'm so happy. Please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. We have 178 likes. I never ever had 200 likes on live. So let's do that. That would be awesome. Please tell this BTC to dump over. Okay, maybe. Ali makes YouTube shorts. Maybe. Could you take a look at what was it? Could you take a look at what is it? Glamour. What is the name? I know this. What is the name of this coin? I know this. Same thing here. 43.5 above, bullish. Desing into Kenya, great. What is a bot? Bot is when you, I don't know why would anybody bot me, by the way, but bot is when you just come in here and you spam the chat with a software, you know, that's like botting. Maybe you just want to sell something, but I know you don't want to sell something, so it's fine. You said the original, you said the $5 one. I don't know which, this one. Okay, let's look at it. Now the problem is, are you already in or you want to get in, or like what's the thing here? So first of all, the problem that I already see on this coin is that we didn't have a 50% retrace. So if a decent retrace is due, and that would come to like down to the 4.7 region, that's where I would be interested in getting in, around here. And the chart is just not looking good, guys. It's just not. Although at the same time, but it's difficult to chart this. But what you could also say is that this here is definitely an OB, an institutional OB. Definitely look at this. Like this dump is very, very heavy. Look at all the other candles. Like it's little screwy, and then you have bam, and they have bam, and they have bam, and they have bam. So this is a very strong level. And by this being a strong level, creating a market structure shift and the retrace, this can be a great entry with a stop loss below here. I would not enter. I would wait a little more because the daily pullback still can happen, and Bitcoin is showing weakness as well. So I would not enter in this coin just now. Core. Ooh, I don't know what happened. Oh, I pushed a C. It's a shortcut. Same thing, guys. Same thing. 50% retrace has to happen. I don't even know what this is, but don't touch it just now. Don't touch it. From a TA perspective. Glimmer. Okay, glimmer on dot. Okay. I just checked it out. Bot robot. Okay, we looked at near. Please go look back. GRT, we looked at it. Please go back. What do you think gaming crypto? Yeah, definitely big. Gaming is going to be big. SUI above 1.76. Let's look at SUI. Oh, it's not. It's not on Blowfin. Is it above on any other exchange? Oh, yeah, 7697. That's where I want to see this. I will take a SUI long as well. If it closes above, I will take a SUI long. Where are we with our positions? Are we still in big minus? Oh no, we're doing okay. It's okay. Bitcoin is up. That's good. This is our kind of day trade stuff. This degen, I want to take it. I want to take it. So it's, I don't mind if it's gonna be in minus a little bit because I think it's gonna explode once it starts running. AR is good as well. We need to see a break on AR. We need to see a break on AR. Yeah, above here, above 33.7. We need to see that break. When that happens, that's good. Guys, we're 13 likes away from 200 and 230 people watching live. Come on, let's get this, please. I gotta go, but I really want to get it. It's 13 fucking likes, 13 likes. You know what? I'll tell you one thing. If we get to 200 likes now, I will give you some memes that I bought today. These are completely risky degen shit, but I'm gonna tell you what I bought. Here you have Fefe. What do you mean? Yeah, Moonbeam, exactly. Moonbeam, that's exactly. That's what I remember. We did that. We just did it. We just did it. We just did it. Neo, please, we did it already. Silver, don't fool us. This crypto is good too far. Maybe we need some more contact to real people. But real people don't have same potential of return on investment than logging stupid memes. Hard decision. You guys should meet up. You guys should meet up and discuss that. Evo. Evo. I like Evo, actually. Look how beautiful entry I had. Ha! On top. Same thing. Same thing. It's gonna be a long day, guys. I'm telling you. 2.91. Yeah. Evo good. Evo looks good as well. Evo looks very good, actually. It looks very, very good. Evo looks very, very good. I might actually long Evo as well. I might long it. If we close, yeah, I might, yeah, probably I'm gonna long it. Yeah, now I'm sad that I sent my funds to my wallet. Above 200 likes, guys. Above 200 likes. You just needed to know the memes, eh? Okay, let's do this. Yeah, exactly. Can you hear this? Look at this. I have to buy a new chair. So, guys, also, it's just so crazy. I just want to tell you, like, I don't know how you feel. I don't know how you feel, but it doesn't matter if you're making 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. But I'm doing okay. Let's say it that way. I'm doing okay on memes and whatnot. I have to buy a new phone, and I'm spending 2,000 on a phone, like losing $5,000, $10,000 on a meme coin within 20 minutes. Fine. Literally buying a phone for $2,000. It's literally killing me. I'm trying to get myself to buy a phone for $2,000 for the past 2 weeks. It's just crazy. $2,000 for a fucking phone. For what? For what? If I buy a 𝗕𝗔𝗞𝗘𝗦, of course, could throw 10,000 at it. But like a phone? Anyway, so I know what you're thinking. I'm thinking the same. I'm gonna buy the phone this week, but yeah, I gotta buy a chair as well. Can you chart me? Yeah, Ondo, like twice, can I cancel? Okay, so many messages, guys. Congress got it yesterday. Okay, let's do this. I'm not gonna get the Soul phone. I was thinking about it, but no, I'm gonna stick with iPhones. I love iPhone. I love Apple, but yeah. Regarding Evo, can you show us one day how to trade there? It's so slow when I use it. No, it's actually good. You gotta send funds there. Sui is crossing. I will long Sui as well. But we need to see. My concern is that we still haven't seen a higher high on Bitcoin, and it's building up liquidity. It's not good. I'm not gonna long Sui just yet, but it can be a good long. Should I? Can be a good long. I'm not gonna long this, but this is a good long. I'm not gonna long this, but this is not bad at all. Yes, I can show you Evo. I can show you how Evo works. I think Sheldon is doing a full tutorial. This is why I haven't done one on Benter, but too bad I closed the short. Why is it too bad? I opened another short. I actually tweeted about it. Look, I didn't tweet about opening it. I opened it yesterday night. Oh, I showed you here. Here it is. How do I show my... Anyway, I don't know how I show my history, but I posted, yeah, anyway. I made a 40-50% trade on shorting BSV yesterday. Okay, guys, so many comments, guys. I'm so happy. I need help. I need help to bring comments up and read comments and whatnot. We got to a point, I told you about this last year, that there will be a point where I know I will not be able to catch up with everything. And I think this is the point. So my cousins come and work with me. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna run shows. We're gonna do educational content. It's gonna scaling up operations. It's gonna be very, very, very cool. But I promise you one thing, and I promise you that I'm gonna give you some memes that I bought if we get to 200 likes. So here comes. Very important, guys. And now this is on a serious note, though. Like today we had a chat with Benter as well. I am, and listen now, I am holding these tokens, okay? I don't know how big percent of the tokens I'm holding. I don't hold like 5% of the supply, but I do hold these tokens. At some point, I will sell some of these tokens. I promise you, I'm not gonna sell them for the next 48 hours, but I am going to sell them at some point, okay? So only put in money, this is a casino, only put in money that you can afford to lose, because these things can go to zero. This can literally go to zero. Okay, so I'm holding, I'm gonna give you the better ones, okay? I'm holding 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. Fred tweeted about it. I don't know if this is the right, no, wait. I wanna give you the right one so you don't get scammed. So the token address, okay. No, this is not the one. Come on, man. Why don't I can't, it's gonna be this one. It's gonna be this one. So I hold this token. The reason why it's interesting, and Fred actually tweeted about this. He was the one who I heard this from. This is an interesting meme because it's the original, it's from the founder of the, here, hold up, do you realize that 𝗕𝗙𝗢𝗢 is 𝗕𝗬𝗡? No, it's fine. Elon Musk, okay, it's fine. Elon Musk has interacted with this, but the whole idea is that this dude posted about, he's like, here it is, load it up more. I just want to find his tweet. Anyway, I will not be able to find it, I think. But I'm in this 𝗕𝗙𝗢𝗢 thing. The reason why I'm in is because congratulations to all 𝗕 holders. First, Elon Musk commented on the post of 𝗕 and now Binance and CoinMarketCap writing articles about it. So there's this guy, he's the original founder of like memes, and oh, I don't show the screen, fuck me. Okay, so so Fred tweeted about this, and he was, is 𝗕𝗙. This is the coin. This is the token 𝗕𝗙. You can find it on Fred's timeline. So the basic idea here is that the creator of meme is Richard Dawkins. So he created memes as like memes, and there is a guy who launched a token 𝗕𝗙, and that's not dog but 𝗕𝗙, and that's an interesting play that I'm in. Let me look at something else. This is also not that degen, like it's 2 million market cap. Still very slow. Only put money that you can afford to lose. But then I'm in 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙. You know 𝗕𝗕𝗙𝗙𝗙. I talked about this already. 𝗕𝗕𝗙𝗙𝗙 install. It's just, you know, it's a cat meme. Nothing. Then I just bought Albert. I just bought Albert. The reason, now this is actually, I'm bringing you something. This is at 5 million market cap. This is at 5 million market cap, which is a bit too high for me. But it's an interesting play, and I'll tell you why. It's an interesting play because if you come to, I'll show you in a second, this is an Instagram cat. So this is literally like an Instagram cat. If you look here. So this is this Albert baby cat. So this is like a cat. This is like an Instagram cat with 300,000 followers. And they didn't, it's not like they did the cat coin and then people started to follow. No, it's an actual cat with 300,000 followers, 400,000 followers. And they launched a coin for this cat. So it's called Albert. Again, the market cap is very high. I think 5 million is very high. But because it has 400,000 subscribers and it didn't pop after listing, I think this can be an interesting play. This can be an interesting play. Drew says search 𝗕𝗙 on Dextos. No way. Yeah, but it's not me. Why would someone launch 𝗕𝗙? Yeah, 𝗕𝗙, father of 𝗕𝗙. Okay, gotcha. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Anyway, so that's that. What else? I'm gonna give you some DJ stuff as well. This is, I told you about this. This is my long-term play. I hold a decent portion here, a couple of percent of the total supply. I'm not planning on selling, but this here is an interesting play for me because it's 14,000 liquidity. It's nothing, but I think someone will at some point add liquidity to this before the Mike Tyson fight in July. So what I would do, just buy 20 bucks of this, 20 bucks, and see where it goes. This can be interesting as well. Obviously, I hold 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙. I hold this from JP. I think he's just fun. He's gonna do something stupid for sure. So I have that 3.75 million. What else do I have? 𝗣𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙. Of course, you gotta get 𝗣𝗘𝗙𝗙. Where is 𝗣𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙 market cap? 6 million. Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, but it's in an accumulation. I think it can really fly. It can really fly. But I do hold 𝗣𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙. There's Costco hot dog. I know, guys, I know. But you asked for it. If anybody's just joining in now, I'm telling you I'm holding these coins. I think it's this one. I think it's this one. So is it this one? Hold on. I think I have like 31,000. No, it's not the one. This is not the one. It's not the one. Oh, there we go. There we go. So this I hold this as well. The whole idea is that Costco hot dog, like the hot dogs that you can buy, this should be $1.50. That's the whole idea here. That's a meme because it should be $1.50 like a normal hot dog. Then you have Donald Trump. I hold that as well. You gotta hold Trump. Also, but I mean, with all seriousness though, like the election's coming up. I'm not just DJing. I'm calculating this. If Trump, for whatever reason, wins, guys, this is fucking mooning. This is mooning. So yeah. I hold Tren. I just bought into all this DJ shit like Kim Jong-un, Giraffe Cat, Benji, Taylor Swift Cat, Bluegate, Bunk Sister, Keyboard Cat. I'm down bet on these, like big time. Frog Cat, what the fuck is this? So many stuff in my wallet that I don't even know what. Solabs I bought, I got rugged. Cat Whiff had probably an airdrop. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so kind of this is what I hold. Yeah, I don't know if it's well, I haven't looked at my wallet like this. It's trying to explain what I do for a living, eh? Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin. Let's round this whole thing up. Oh, okay, so we got some coins pushing here. Let me look at the trades that we took. Who took the trades with me? Can you please let me know? I'd love to know. Okay, we are in the green. We are in the green. And then let me look at the chat. Hey Fede, hey Mountain Runner, what's up, man? Trade 200 to 2000 and then treat yourself to the new iPhone. Yeah, that's the thing, bro. I'm not. It's not bragging. I'm not bragging, but like I'm doing fine. I'm telling you, like and I make, let's say I make 10,000 on a random coin that I bought for $1,000, and I don't want to spend it on a fucking iPhone, but I know I have to. So I'm just being a bitch now. Try using 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will try that. I'll try that for the next live. I'll prep. I think there will be. Sylvia, 𝗕𝗚. Let's look at 𝗕𝗚. If Sui comes back for a retrace, how long? Let's look at 𝗕𝗚. I don't know what 𝗕𝗚 is. 𝗕𝗚. Guys, should we do like a swing portfolio every week? Just check on the portfolio and look at how we could adjust it, and like that would be, yeah, we could do that. And we could do like 1,000 to 10,000 challenge on spot. That would be so cool. That would be sick. That would be so good. 𝗕𝗚. I don't know what 𝗕𝗚 is. But come on, Sylvie, you know better than that. Come on. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. Thanks, 𝗕𝗙𝗢, and thanks for you guys in the chat. Funny time and sometimes trades. All good. We need 𝗕𝗙𝗢 token. Not me, bro. Not me. I can't launch a token. I've been told I can't. Yes, it's a degen play. Yeah, I just bought it as well. I just bought this Tesla thing as well. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗢 Musk. I said, but this is such a degen. Yeah. We could have done it. Pella, Pepe's wife, BlackRock. Okay, I took BTC with you. Nice. Took near, but we didn't take near trade. Did we take a near trade? We didn't take a near trade, did we? We didn't take a near trade, although it's a good trade. This is also a good trade. So many good opportunities now. I may have taken some of the trades. Good. Took BTC. Great. Yes. For the swing. Yes, we could do that. Do the challenge. Someone's asking for AVAX. I saw more people asking for it. Let's go. I think I want to de-risk a little bit on my Bitcoin because we still haven't broken above. This could be a 15-minute market structure shift though. I'm up. I didn't want to go 30x. That's the problem. So I'm probably gonna take a little bit off the table. Just gonna sell 25% or something. So 20%, no close. Okay. Degen we got. AVAX. Yeah, same thing. And it, yeah, it's good. AVAX looking good as well, but it's only I would not touch AVAX. No, it's looking good. It's looking good because of this, but it's just so. This is the actual level here. This here is a very, very big OB, a risky level. So if you're longing into the supply here. Although it can come to like 49-ish, I would not trade AVAX now. Yeah, let's look at this. Did we have any subscribers? We've got like 35 subscribers. Awesome. Just find your channel, new sub, swing portfolio would be nice. Yeah, let's do it. Love the idea of a challenge. Yeah, we can do a challenge, but let's do a spot because it's much easier to do a spot, and then we can just swap. We could do it like in a way that we take $1,000 and then we swap it as the chart says, and then we don't have stop losses. And I took it on this exchange, I took it on that exchange, what level, that's awesome. Guys, if you want to qualify also, we talked about meme coins on Sol. If you want to qualify for an airdrop to Gummy, there is a link in the description to the 𝗕𝗏𝗡 account. You have to sign up for 𝗕𝗏𝗡 and you will have to deposit some funds and you will be qualified for the airdrop. So market shift, yeah, I will, and then I'm leaving. So it's not a threat, I'm just saying. So when the market goes like this, eventually starts dropping, right? And when it drops, you want to make sure that you wait for the POI, a point of interest, or at least 50% retrace. And when the 50% retrace happens, you have a market structure, right? So here you have, for example, if I've drawn this here, you would have a market structure that goes, you have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. Anyway, too much cocaine. I'm just joking. I'm not doing cocaine, or am I? No, I'm not. So now all jokes aside. So when you come down here, you have to see, this is the market structure. lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And when you get to a point of interest, an area of reversal, potential reversal, you want to see a higher high. And when you do see that, that is called a market structure shift, because the market structure is shifting from what we used to. And when that happens, you want to wait for a 50% retrace and get it on an entry. That's kind of the idea. The same goes the other direction. When the market is coming down, then you want to, and it's retracing to the previous level, you want to wait for a retracement fee. So for example, on Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin up here, you had the retrace to 50%. Oh, you had the retrace to the OB up here. You had the retrace to the OB up here. This was the low. You had a break below. That's a market structure shift. Then you had a retrace to 50. You could have gotten into a short position here. Right, so that's like the basic idea here. So it's always about retracing to the 50 and then showing a higher high or a lower low after. There are a little bit more to it, because one more thing that you have to pay attention to when you look for that is there is something called the three candles. So you got to have 3 consecutive candles to consider something a low or a valid high, a strong level. So if you look here, for example, the question might be, okay, whether this here, is this here a strong level? Yes, it is, because from one aspect it is because there is 3 candles. From the other one, it's not, because it hasn't been formed in the discount zone. So there are a lot of things to it, but that's kind of the idea here, that you gotta consider. The higher high is very, very relevant. That's the actual relevant stuff. Yes, it's something like the change of characters. Exactly. Emmy is in Dubai for token 2049. See you in Dubai. 3ULL? Is that a real thing? Yeah, I can't analyze this chart. It's not like the spread. What is the spread here? 4%. I can't analyze this chart. Send Degen to the moon. Let's go. Okay, great. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Truly, genuinely appreciate you. We broke records. We had 235 people live, and we had 222 likes in one show. I am extremely happy. I'm grateful. I'm fulfilled. I'm whatever. And if you're coming to Dubai, let's meet up. Other than that, we'll see each other. I will update you on X. Maybe let's look at the charts before. I don't want to leave. You see, I just don't want to leave. Oh, my food is coming. My food is gonna be here. Hold on, I might have to leave. Yeah, I have to leave. My food is here. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's look at the trade fast. Good. Hold on to your belts, eh? See you on Twitter. See you around. Comment, interact with me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.